I have tried to marshal all the extended helps that I could reach. Abaye is untouchable. Nobody can kill him. He is being protected by some spirits which are greater than us.
For all the praises people shower on you, commendations about how powerful you are now telling us that spirits that protect Abaye are powerful and greater than yours, than us? Okonfo, you have not tried enough.
Mind the way you speak to me. You children of the universe. You are one. As far as I can see what you can never see with your naked eyes. Don't trespass. You are one. Anyway, if you don't appreciate what I have done for you, then please try somewhere else. Go!
Quanta, let's go. Let's go. She's gotten what she wanted from us. So she's now telling us stories. Didn't she know from the beginning that some spirits were protecting him?
Are you sure Abaye is going to die soon?
So you mean you couldn't see how he looked? I don't think he will live to see tomorrow. Yanti, you can't you see? Yanti, can't you see yourself? Yeah, Yanti, look at the man lying down there.
Yeah, Mama, how are you?
Yeah, we see you.
Mama,
yeah, Yanti, whatever be the case, he would die. Look, if he doesn't die, don't call me your uncle again.
So if Abaye dies, I will succeed Nanabri.
Nana, we have brought our nephew before you. He needs your blessing and protection.
What is the problem? Abaye? Dead?
My son is dead. Oh, Papa, please save him for me.
You will be all right.
Akuya, Abaye is not dead. He'll be all right. I promise you. I'll do everything in my power to revive him. Meanwhile, stop crying. I'll be back.
Mommy, it looks like Abaye is dead.
He's not dead. A confirmed party says he'll be all right. Thanks for your consent. Go. Go! As I've already explained to you, we need another king before we can organize a befitting funeral for Nanebri. But looking at Abaye's condition now, the throne cannot lie fallow. We need a replacement immediately. So the council has decided to choose from the other side of the family. That is, from Srahe's side. Is there any objection?
No.
Well, if there is no objection, then Sraha, I will entreat you to bring your nominee before the council next week.
I'll do that, Nanaima.
Enyadia kwam de no nyamenni oya nwa ya ni ngwase beka nyamenni ani bribone da wo afa nyamenni ya ne dia wadi benkum na agie nyamenni kwa ebesa na benti nyamenni oya nwa ya ni ngwase beka nyamenni yadia no na odie o nyamenni yadia no na odie nti nyamenni o.
Mami Sinti, don't worry. My father will be back very soon.
Ekuya, what is the problem again?
Kung Fu, my only child is dying.
I've told you not to worry. I'll do everything to save Abaye.
Kung Fu, I'm losing him every passing minute. The kingmakers have decided to choose from Srahe's side because of Abaye's condition.
All right. I'll go into the forest, and by the time I return, Abaye will be all right.
I think it's time for us to groom him to walk like a king and do things like a king. Yes. Isn't it? Yes. Yeah. So when you walk as a king, you have to walk majestically. Yes. So, like I'll show you now. Yeah. No. Come here. Okay, do it. A king walks majestically, right? But there's a way you go about it. Look at me. You see, you go like that. So you walk like a king. Have you got it? So now stand there. Stand there. Like that. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You've got it.
You've got it.
Our enemies have been defeated.
If you have presented Nyanting as the new nominee, we have nothing to say. The council will meet again tomorrow, and we will make our final decision known to you.
Thank you. Everyone of us, they were doing a man I fed. Oh, and so we have to prepare you for.
I have tried to marshal all the extended helps that I could reach. Abaye is untouchable. Nobody can kill him. He is being protected by some spirits. which are greater than us.
Okonfo, for all the praises people shower on you,
commendations about how powerful you are now telling us that spirits that protect Abaye are powerful and greater than yours, than us?
Okonfo, you have not tried enough.
Mind the way you speak to me. You children of the universe. You are one. As far as I can see what you can never see with your naked eyes. Don't trespass. You are one. Anyway, if you don't appreciate what I have done for you, then please try somewhere else. Go!
Quanta, let's go. Let's go. She's gotten what she wanted from us. So she's now telling us stories. Didn't she know from the beginning that some spirits were protecting him?
Nana, you don't have to listen too much to what people tell you. Because some of them don't like you.
Kontihene, you are right. The other day, look at the way Jasihene reacted to what I said.
Nana, you are the leader of this town. You must always be firm because your word is final. Some people... Okonfo, what brings you here?
Nana, I want to see you privately.
Okonfo, you can go ahead. Kontihene is my right-hand man, and there is no secret between us.
But this is a very confidential issue, so let him get out.
Nana, don't forget what I've just told you.
Nana, you don't have to be naive to this level. Every king has his secrets. More so, you have to beware of people like Kontihene. He was one of those pressing for your substitution. Do you know that?
Okonfo, I'm very sorry. Please forgive me.
Good. Now, having said that, I have come here to acquaint you that very soon I may be leaving this world. And before your late uncle died, I had a secret covenant with him. And that covenant, no one knows, not even my son, Cerebro, who is taking over me, knows about the covenant.
Okonfo, you are not going anywhere.
Nana, however long you may live in this world, one day you will surely die. And I feel my time is here to join my ancestors. That is why I have come to acquaint you with this covenant. I don't know if your late uncle ever tell you about the rationale behind the total absence of fair-skinned persons on this land?
Yes, he did.
Good. Now, I would want you to protect that covenant. If only you would want to keep the throne and for the prosperity of this land. And you may consult me anytime, anywhere in my absence.
Is that so?
Yes, my son. I am prepared to protect you, even in my death.
Thank you very much, Okonfo.
You are welcome, my son.
Yay!
Have you been visiting Okonfo Srebo?
Nana, I've been going to see him. My last visit to him was last week, Thursday.
Good. But you must obey every instructions he gives to you. Hmm?
Yes, Nana.
I will see you again tomorrow evening.
Okay. Bye-bye, Nana.
Bye.
What's this? A first-kind baby in our family.
I'm confused. Where does this baby come from? Oh, is it a case?
Mommy!
Good morning, Nana.
Good morning.
Nana, I have good news for you.
Good news? What is it?
Dokua has given birth to a baby boy.
At long last.
morning, Papa. What brings you here this morning?
Nothing really serious. I have come to pay my respect to the newly born baby. How is he doing?
Oh, he's fine. His mother is breastfeeding him inside.
May I see him?
No. He's asleep. You may come another time.
Akuya, I just want to see how he is doing.
Not now, Krapa. Another time will be better. Please.
Akuya, are you trying to hide something from me? Why are you trying to prevent me from seeing the child? Okay, I'll call again.
What is it?
Offer. Big news. Good news. Offer. The news I have for you today, your ears is more than what you can take. I am informed that Dokua's son is fair-skinned.
Huh?
Enuni.
Tabwa.
Offer.
Tabwa. Are you sure of what you're telling us?
Why should she lie? And why would Senti prevent me from seeing the child?
Bam.
If Tabua is telling us the truth, then I suggest we do more investigations to gather enough facts.
That male child is a threat to our chances of ascending the throne.
Yes.
Tabua, come here. We have commissioned you to investigate this matter for us.
Offer. I will do my best to establish the truth.
Cool.
Enani.
Nana, if your mother has nothing to hide, why has she refused to let us see the baby?
Yes.
Are we not from one family?
Don't worry. I will talk to her and find out her reasons for doing that. However, I'm sure there is no reason.
Nana, you know she has a reason.
Don't worry. I will talk to her and find out what the problem is.
I don't believe there is a problem with that child. But if there is, it will not be good news, Nana.
We are one family. And if there is any problem, I will let you know. Mommy, I have come to see my nephew. I hope he is doing well.
Abeye, There is a problem.
Why? Has Kokanta refused the fatherhood of the baby? That is no problem.
You know that could not bother me. I don't tolerate those things.
How?
Abeye. The child is fair-skinned. He's an albino.
What did you say, Mommy? An albino?
Yes.
He must be killed. Mommy, you know it's a taboo on this land. No, he must be killed.
Nana, you shouldn't have killed your nephew. You are the king. You could have done something about the law.
I don't want to set a bad precedence. And again, if there should be any group of people who should respect the laws of this land, we must be the one. That is my decision. I must honor the tradition.
Yeah, mamira, ya tunchini ona swamra sa ya sa ubionye. Ah, mamira, ya tunchini ye na mreda ni onso dani ubiodo fwe. Ah, mamira, ya tunchini ye na tuna fa kuna nye watete kwa wate. Ah, mamira.
But Nana, this is too harsh. Sir, yes, I've got a plan. What is it? Do you know Sribo, Okonfo Ampati's son, who recently took over from him? He perfectly fits into this plan. How? The other day, I saw him looking at Tabua. And I believe he is interested in Tabua. So if we should get Tabua to marry him, we'll get him on our side. But is he going to agree?
Leave that for me. I know how to handle him. Oh.
Good day, Okonfo.
You are welcome, my in-laws.
Thank you.
Please have a seat. I'll be with you soon.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you care for some water?
Oh, no, thank you. No, thank you.
It's all right. Wow. What can I do for you?
Well, we are here to discuss with you some matter of interest.
What is this matter of interest?
Well, we are here to implore you to do something to bar Abeye's side from having male children. So that we too can ascend the throne.
my in-laws, I will plead with you to give me some time to think about it.
All I can say is, please think favorably about this. Your children could benefit from the decision you make today. That's all.
Okay, thank you.